when the divisors of this form x minus k. So the big polynomial doesn't matter, but what we're dividing by needs to be of the form x plus or minus some number. And for this type of division, we get to write down just the coefficients rather than all of the variables. Let's consider this example 3x squared plus 7x minus 9 divided by x minus 2. The first step is we're going to take all of the coefficients of the dividend and write them in a row, and we're going to put this bracket around it. It's going to look like this. We then take the value of k, in this case 2. We're dividing by x minus k, so in this case 2. And we write it at the start of our second row. We bring the first number down. We then multiply the second row by the third row, so 2 times 3 is 6. And that goes in my second row. We then add 7 plus 6, which gives us 13. And then we multiply 2 times 13 to get 26. We then add negative 9 plus 26 to get us to 17. And then we use the bottom numbers to write our quotient. The rightmost number is the remainder, so in this case we have a remainder of 17, which is equivalent to 17 over x minus 2. The next term will have degree 0, meaning it's just a constant. So I can add 13 plus 17 over x minus 2. The next term is our x term, which would mean 3x. So my actual answer is 3x plus 13 plus 17 over x minus 2. As another example, let's look at x cubed plus 8x squared minus 6x plus 1 divided by x plus 3. I'm going to start by writing the coefficients of my bigger polynomial, and I'll put my bracket around. Since we're dividing by x plus 3, we're actually going to put a negative 3 outside. And then we bring down the first term. We multiply negative 3 times 1, which gives negative 3. Add 8 plus negative 3 to get 5. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Negative 6 plus negative 15 is negative 21. And negative 3 times negative 21 is 63. We add 1 and 63 to get 64, and we can write our answer. Our remainder is 64. So it is written as 64 over x plus 3. The next number in the list is my 1s, my constants. The next number would be my x number. That gives us a 5x. And then the next term would be the x squared term. This gives us a solution of x squared plus 5x minus 21 plus 64 divided by x plus 3.